Dear student, we will do question number 13. So let us see. First of all, we will write here solution. Okay, and here it is given that tan theta is equal 1 by 2. Okay, and we know that also tan theta is equal perpendicular upon base. So that's why we can write here P is 1 and base is 2. Okay, and with the help of P and B we will find out the value of H, and we know that H is equal under root P square plus B square. Okay, now put the values of P and B. So there will be 1 square plus 2 square, and here will be 1 plus 4. After this we can write here root 5. So finally we got the value of hypotenuse is root 5. So here will be root 5, and this is 1 and base is 2. Okay, now we'll find out the value of cos theta, and we know that cos theta is equal base upon hypotenuse. Okay, so we can write B by H, and now therefore cos theta is equal, put the values of B and H. B is what? 2 and H is root 5. Okay, so cos theta is 2 by root 5. Okay, and now we will find out the value of sin theta, and we know that sin theta is equal P by H. Now put the values of P and H. So here will be sin theta is equal 1 by root 5. Now we will find out the value of cos theta upon sin theta plus sin theta upon 1 plus cos theta. Okay, so look here. Now put the values of cos theta. Cos theta is equal what? 2 by root 5. Okay, and whole upon what is the sin theta? Sin theta is 1 upon root 5. Okay, put the plus sign here, and now put the values of sin theta, and sin theta is 1 by root 5, and whole upon here will be 1 plus, again put the values of cos theta, and cos theta is 2 by root 5. Okay, dear student, now look here, we will solve this step. So here will be 2 upon root 5 into root 5 by 1. Okay, put your plus sign, and this will be 1 by root 5, put the divide sign here, and this will be like this, 1 plus 2 by root 5. Okay, now look here, this root 5 will cut by this root 5. So here will be 2 plus, this is 1 by root 5 and divided by, and this will be also, you can write here 1, and LCM will be root 5. So here is root 5 plus 2. Okay, now the next step will be 2 plus 1 by root 5 into root 5 by root 5 plus 2. Okay, now look here, this root 5 will cut by this root 5. The next step will be 2 plus 1 by root 5 plus 2, and we can write here this 2 by 1 plus 1 by root 5 plus 2. Now we will take the LCM. So LCM is root 5 plus 2. Now the next step will be root 5 plus 2 multiply with 2. So here will be 2 root 5 plus 4. Now put the plus sign, and now we will divide this root 5 plus 2 by root 5 plus 2. Then we get 1, and 1 will multiply with 1. So here will be 1. Now the next step will be 2 root 5 plus 5 by root 5 plus 2. Okay, and here we will rationalize the denominator So we can multiply with root 5 minus 2 by root 5 minus 2. Okay, dear student, here we will multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. So our next step will be 2 root 5 into 5. It means 10, and then 2 root 5 into minus 2. So here will be minus 4 root 5. And now we will multiply this 5 by root 5 minus 2. So here will be plus 5 root 5, and this plus 5 will multiply by minus 2. So here will be minus 10. Okay. And now we can write here square of root 5 minus square of 2. Okay. Dear student, look here. This 10 will cut by this 10. Okay. And now we will write here minus 4 root 5 plus 5 root 5 is equal root 5. And here will be the square of root 5 is 5 and the square of 2 is 4. So our next step will be root 5 by 1. Then we can write here root 5. So answer is root 5.